Hello guys, I am IK and thank you for watching my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today we are unboxing another G-Shock. So the model number of this G-Shock is GA-700MMC-1ADR and the module number is 5522. So inside the box, we got a Casio module number 5522 user guide in multi languages and a Casio-GShock international warranty card. Inside the paper box, we have a regular G-Shock 10 box in black color, and inside the box we have our today's variant of G-Shock in black and rose gold color. So again, the model number is GA-700MMC-1ADR. A very nice looking black and rose gold color. As you can see, the face of the watch is very attractive. The design is very nice, and this time it's a black shiny material, but the looks are very premium. If we talk about the inside display is also in black color, while the inside dial is in a rose gold color. If you talk about the material, again it's a resin material with shiny black coating, rigid black buttons on either side, and not only that, in this model you can see a button at the top face of the watch, which on pressing will let the LED in white color. So very attractive rose gold color, a very premium look. From the back of the watch you can see a metal plate with the details like model number GA-700MMC, a stainless steel plate, and it's a shock resistor, 200 meter water resistance. A very nice, a very different watch this time. As you can see, so I am also wearing a same model in blue color. So please, you can check the video unboxing of the blue color on my YouTube channel. A very beautiful, very attractive, very premium looking G-Shock watch. So thank you for watching this video. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.